I just like accidentally completely deleted some footage from a different video again. Smart. Anyway, hey guys, what's up? It is Chi here and I am back with another video. Today is going to be a pretty fun day. I'm meeting up with a few friends who I haven't seen in a while. And we are going to be making bath bombs because I have a bath bomb maker kit and I made it the other day and it was actually pretty fun. So I wanted to do it with some friends. We were supposed to do it like now, but something happened. So we're moving it back till 3. I could have honestly filmed the video then because I woke up pretty late today and I wanted to film a video before I left, but I was just like, oh, I'm gonna be late. So I really quickly put on some makeup, but now I'm like, I could have filmed that video. Especially because I just accidentally deleted one. Rest in peace. But yeah, so I'm just gonna waste my time till 3 and then head over. This is my look for today. I named it Schoolgirl Rocker Chic. I've got my shirt that says Grave Robber on it. It's like for a, what's it called? It's for a monster truck show I've never been to. I thrifted it because it's just really dope. Oh, Grave Digger, is that what I said? Grave Digger, it's for a monster truck team. And my skirt is from Boohoo. My jacket's from Boohoo. I'm just wearing a jacket around it because I did not know how short it was till I knew how short it was. And I don't know where. I'm going over to my friend's house to make the bath bombs. I have the kit, but I'm going to her house because she has a way bigger house. And so I don't know where we're going to be doing it at. So I'm like, I don't want to be bending down and showing my whole vagine. So yeah, I'm gonna also bring chocolates to share. My next door neighbor is a truck driver, and I guess supposedly when something happens with the truck, the people who they're delivering to, they won't accept it. So he has a whole bunch of boxes of just chocolate, and it's Russell Stover. Oh, am I showing this right? It's Russell Stover, sugar-free, dark chocolate. And that sounds disgusting, but it's actually pretty good because there's caramel in it and nuts. It actually is pretty good. I've been eating it like a lot. And so I'm gonna share because he gave us a few boxes. So I'm just gonna get rid of it. You guys, there's like a stray dog. Aww. Okay, where's he going? So I don't know. Okay. Okay. I think that's maybe our new neighbor's dog, but he can escape, so I might have to tell them that, because he just went right into their backyard. There's actually this morning there was a lot of barking, and so I'm guessing that's the dog that's been barking so much. It sounded like just a small dog barking this whole morning. They've been barking. They were really just letting it out this morning. I don't know what happened, but I guess that's why. He really shouldn't be doing that though. He could get hit by a car. I don't know if I should tell my neighbors or not. I don't even really know if that's our new, because we do have a new neighbor downstairs at the bottom of me. I don't know if I should tell my neighbor or not, because I don't even know if that's their dog. That might be a stray dog just learning the tricks of the trade. Okay, I'm just gonna go. Alrighty. Oh, let me not get copyrighted. So on the way, I'm actually super sleepy today, you guys. I'm like, hey, yeah. Okay. That's my friend April. Alrighty, so April is going to help us make bath bombs. This looks so much bigger than you from over here, but anyway, you can get this at Walmart for about like $14. Since it's Christmas right now, there's like a lot of like deals. Oh yeah, sorry, we need scissors.
So what Nelly comes in right now.
Right.
There you go. Ooh.
You want that? You want this?
Yeah, because my brother used mine.
I have a flamingo loofah, and I'm just trying to keep that one forever. So, the instructions we don't need to listen to. Yeah, you want to use what? Don't use that shot cups after, because you're putting crack cocaine in this. Crack cocaine, a fizzer base. So let me tell you, when we make it, don't try to use it today. You're probably gonna have to wait a day or two, because I tried to use it the day after. Oh, that's nothing. That's like fun stuff. I tried to use it a day after. Let's see. Can I get it? Okay, there we go. I tried to use it a day after, and not even a day, that day, and it just dropped to the bottom and didn't do anything. Like, it's supposed to
did it even fizzle?
No. Oh yeah, we need water.
Oh, there's a bathroom right there.
Okay.
You want to be on this side so that you can get fire? It would be lo-fi.
Oh yeah, get into the mood. Okay. So, let me give you the lowdown. This is how I do it. Do you want to put like the scents and the colors together too, or
the color scented?
Yeah, so you can choose whatever. Well, you can choose out of 4 scents. We have coconut, cherry blossom, lavender, and lime, which is all the way over there. And then those are the colors you can choose. Yeah, so these are all the colors.
I can't be on one knee for some reason. It hurts. I fell on this knee like months ago.
And it still hurts?
When I bend it at an angle, it hurts. Even when I'm kneeling on my bed, it hurts. So I haven't checked with the doctor.
Yeah, you need to.
But I'm scared too. It's like,
I know.
You tore your ACL. Oh shit.
I know. And then you gotta do surgery for that. I hope you
look like I have insurance.
I don't like the lime one. The lime one is pretty nasty though.
Lavender is like slightly scented. Is this lime?
Yeah, lime.
Are those the only flavors?
Lemon and then coconut. Yeah, these are the only. You can order more online, but these are the 4 they gave us.
It smells like cleaner.
Yeah,
Oh, that's what it is.
I don't like it at all.
I don't like coconut. We're not doing that.
Okay, so let's. Do you like the lime too, or?
I don't know. For some reason, I do.
Oh wow. Well, here. You know, we have enough to actually just put 4 of them, and then whatever you don't want to use, just don't use it, basically.
Alright.
Okay, cool. So, first just put a whole shitload of drops up in there. I'll just let you do it so I can film.
Okay. How many am I putting in there?
Put as many as you want.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
There. Which one did you put in here?
This one's the lemon.
Okay.
Lemon berry with the purple.
So then you said you don't like lavender, right?
I don't really.
Okay, let's
The cherry blossom one smells good.
Okay, let's do cherry blossom. Do a lot of cherry blossom for sure.
So how much should I put in this one?
I don't know, just a lot. Oh, and this is some aquamarine green kind of stuff now.
Let me add more yellow, see. Oh, it's like lighter.
Yeah, it's very like green. So the scents completely are like different, but it's okay because it's a unique
Experience.
Right. There we go. This actually is like really calming. Like when I did this by myself before, it was like a really nice like calm day.
Oh, it turned orange.
It's a cute orange. It looks like you can drink it. It looks like juice.
Honey.
It looks like juice. She has our high school yearbook.
$9.99 was on sale. I got it for $6.99. I was like, oh yeah.
What did you get for $6.99? Oh, your hair, it's so nice.
Oh my god, you changed your hair color.
Yeah, I did. I just got rid of my blue. Dang.
I saw your blue and your blonde. I was like, hey.
Ah, it's so cute.
I was like, wait, I thought we were going back.
We could have been blue sisters. I'm so mad. But yeah, so.
Yeah. Now I'm trying to think what color I'm gonna change it next.
What color?
I'm thinking like peach, like orange peach.
That would be cute.
But it's like I'll be going on the other end of the color spectrum.
Oh yeah, that would be hard.
So I'm like,
yeah, I feel you.
So I have to go in and check my hairstylist and be like, hey.
Have you done gray?
Huh?
You've done gray, right?
Yeah, I was silver last year.
Right, I remember it. Yeah, right.
I don't want to do purple because I've really been purple for so long. But I don't want a whole head of purple.
Dang, well it's really pretty.
It's
like a true blue.
Yeah.
I like it though.
I actually wanted more like a navy blue. It's ended up being a lot brighter than I thought it was gonna be. I was like, oh my god, yeah, we haven't seen each other since
I know we haven't for a while.
August.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah.
Even was it?
I got this done in August, so yeah.
Yeah, we haven't seen each other since like the summer. That's crazy. We need to hang out again. And aren't you gonna leave next year?
No, I'm probably gonna stay in Houston for a while.
We can hang out some more then. It's good.
I need to listen to Lay's album. I just need Dana to drop more shit.
Yo, did you listen to Dayfly?
What?
He dropped more shit, bro.
I have not.
It's really good Dayfly. But he did it with Sully, the girl from FX. It's actually really good. And like he did, oh my god, so he wrote like a big like Instagram caption to go with it. When I say you saw, I don't know what he said, but it was so deep and meaningful. You're like, this one, yeah. But it's like so deep and meaningful. I was like, oh, okay.
I think I got all of them. Oh, that's not enough. It's because this is like watery, so it just changes the consistency.
For you.
So is this one. Oh, just a bit.
Some pudding in there.
Let me see if I can. Because you said like you want it to be like a little bit heaping, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we're finished and heading to the fridge. Let's go, let's go.
I'm so afraid of stairs. Sorry. I'm like literally afraid of stairs.
Well, April grew up with these stairs.
Right?
I didn't grow up with stairs in house. I'm like, what am I doing? What am I doing? No, one of my memories in China is that I fell down a flight of stairs. So I'm like, oop. This is bad. Okay, hold up. I just put it on top of this. It's my shrimp fried rice. So. Wait, let me get like a paper towel. What is it? Go ahead, sis. Go ahead. It's good. I like baklava.
Ooh.
It's fine like that, right?
All right.
There we go.
So we got the 2 bowls and then the shower.
This is leftover, right? But we're gonna use it anyway.
You're not gonna get like demonetized or anything, right?
Yeah. I don't know where
Are they dead? I'm like, what?
I don't think that. Are they alive? I don't know.
Are these like real or fake?
Okay, those are real.
Okay, this
She's
is
thick.
It's like a mandrake. Very Harry Potter vibes.
Very thick. Okay, wait.
Trying to wake me up.
Wait, let me try again. I've done this. Let me see. You just kind of have to. You have to
Jiggle it, maybe.
baby it. Oh, I got it. There we go.
Oh,
Ah, this looks cute.
Is that the one I did? Probably.
This is mine.
Oh, really? Okay. I was like, really? No, mine had the
So this is all our bath bombs. This one is Nellie's. Should we switch?
the hole in one.
They're really cute. Thank you guys so much for helping me make one. Oh, it looks like an apple the way.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.